Hello. Do you know that collective nouns do not take S? Collective nouns like army, police, cattle, they do not take S. And they are treated as singular nouns. So you could say the police is your friend. However, note, when collective nouns that involve humans do not perform action, then they are treated as singular. They go with singular verb. But when they are performing action, they go with plural verbs. For example, watch this. The police is your friend, performing no action. Therefore, it took what? A singular verb. However, the police are chasing the robber. They are now plural verb because they are performing an action. Take another example. Our club is 5 years today. Our club is performing no action. Therefore, it took what? A singular verb. But look at this. Our club are going for excursion. In this case, there's an action because it indicates the people. Our club are going for excursion. It's taking a plural verb. I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching and God bless you.